What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? So I want to shoot this quick video to talk about Dogecoin and what is going on with Dogecoin, because just the other day, as you can see, Dogecoin was about above 10 cents. So last week Wednesday, or early last week Monday, as you can see, it was 7 cents last Tuesday. Last Wednesday, as you can see, this past Tuesday, it was like 7 cents. Then on Wednesday, it went up to about 11 cents, 12 cents. Thursday, a rise. Wednesdays, it was in the 12-cent range. Thursday, a rise, kept rising. Then at Thursday nighttime, boom, it went up. You see that? Went up to like about, where was it? About 28 cents, 27 cents. And that's where I cashed out about $140 worth of profit. And then I kept some in there. I kept hodling some in there because I just, like, it's one of my favorite ones. I'm not too big of an investment on it, but I just have some holding ever since it was below a penny. So then overnight now, it did a quick dip. So I spent about $5, grabbed up a few more just in case, about right there at the, what it was like, I think it was like 23 cents or 24 cents. And then, overnight or in the morning, rise back up throughout the day, ups and down, ups and down. A lot of people making profits, a lot of people putting money in it, a lot of people cashing out profits off of it. Went up to like 39, 42 cents. What is it was like, it's like 40 something cents. Then it went to 39, then it came back down, then it went back up to 39. So then I cashed out about another $150 in profit just off of Dogecoin. Right now I'm on Coin Market Cap. Looking at Dogecoin, as you can see at the moment of this recording, it's back up to 36. As you can see at this moment, it's at the 36-cent range. And to remind you, like this one started, it was a very, very low cost when it started. The market cap right there is at about, what's that, $47 billion, right? So that's not bad. Got the volume going on. So as you can see, over the last 24 hours, 111% return, right? 111% return. All-time high, 43 cents. All-time low in the last 24 hours was 21 cents. And it shot up to about 43 cents for the all-time high. So that's about 111% return. So if you want to get involved, Dogecoin is a thing. Some people was asking me, where can they purchase Dogecoin? Dogecoin. One place you can get it on is Robinhood, but a lot of people really don't like Robinhood. So another place where I have some Dogecoin is Crypto.com. Crypto.com, I'm going to leave a link in the description. If you go ahead and sign up with my link, you will get $25 and also will get $25 into my account. And you can go ahead, you can buy some more Dogecoin, or you can buy some other crypto with it. And you can go ahead, purchase some Dogecoin or wait for it to dip some. And then go ahead. I'm not a financial advisor, but these are some of the things that I've been doing. So I'm going to start documenting some more things, especially with like Bitcoins and investing with the stock market. So once again, it's NZD. Hope you got some value out of this. And shout out to all my Dogecoins. Where my dogs at, man? Shout out to all my dogs out there with the Dogecoin, the dog coin. Get it. Talk to y'all later. Peace.